This is part one of rebuilding, refreshing, and re-beautifulizing my RC51. This is the shitty seat. I'm going to use this Husky kneel pad from Home Depot. Very nice feeling. This staple gun, this knife to shape, and this marine vinyl from Joann Fabrics. Alright, I got the seat apart. A lot of the staples are all rusty and they broke off. I'm working on getting those all out now. This is the foam. Imagine it's not going to be easy to replicate that with that. So I might just add some of that on top of that. Hopefully it'll work better. We'll see.